students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point 6, 3 and 4, 7. So our midpoint formula for a midpoint x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So our x1 is 6, x2 is 4 divided by 2, y1 is 3, y2 is 7 divided by 2. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our midpoint x, y is actually 5, 5. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.